We'll start a new topic today. The name of the topic is file. File is a collection of data or information on a disk. They are identified by their names. For example, the letter that you type on a computer may be stored on some storage devices such as hard disk, pen drive, DVD, etc. So what is a file? A file is anything in which you can store your data. Now here are some steps to create a file. How can we create a file? Step 1 is open MS Word and type anything which you want. Step 2, click on File, then click on Save. Step 3, select Computer and then click on Browse button. Step 4, give a name to the file. Step 5, click on Save. Folder. Folder is like a storage container in which multiple files can be placed. A folder can also hold many folders known as subfolder. Folder is as similar as a file, but in file we can store only one kind of data or one project, for example, but in folder we can place many different files. Creating a folder. Step 1. Right click on the desktop. Step 2. Click on new option. A list of sub options will appear. See here, we click on this, so a new list comes here. Step 3. Click on folder option. A new folder is created on the desktop. Give suitable name to the folder and press enter key. Next topic is opening a file or folder. You can open a file or folder by moving the mouse pointer to that file or folder and double click on it. File or folder gets opened. Either you can double click on the folder or you can right click on the folder. A list comes and in that list there is an option called open. You can click on that. Next is renaming a file or folder. Changing the name of a file or folder is known as renaming. Follow the given steps to rename. Step 1. Select the file or folder which you want to rename. Step 2. Right click the selected file or folder and select the rename option in the menu. Step 3. Type the new name to your file or folder and the renaming is done. Next topic is moving a file or folder. Files or folders can be moved from one place to another wherever you want to keep them. They could be moved using a mouse. You can drag and drop them or you can copy or paste them. Follow the given steps to move a file or folder. Step 1. Open Windows Explorer. We'll open the Windows Explorer option. Step 2. Choose the file or folder which you want to move. Step 3. Make sure the location where the file or folder you want to move is visible. Drag the file or folder to the destination. We can easily drag the file or folder using a mouse. Next heading is delete a file or folder. Follow the given steps to delete your file or folder. Select the file or folder which you want to delete. Step 2. Right click the selected icon and click on delete option. So while you click on the delete option, the file will be deleted. Recovering the deleted file or folder. As we learned earlier, we can easily recollect the file we have already deleted by mistake or intentionally also. So follow the given steps to recover deleted files and folders from the recycle bin. Step 1. Open recycle bin folder by double clicking the mouse on its icon. Recycle bin's icon looks like this. Step 2. Now right click the mouse on the name of the file or folder that is to be recovered. Step 3. From the shortcut menu, select Restore option. Next is to change a wallpaper or lock screen. Windows operating system lets you customize to the fullest extent. Microsoft always offers a decent range of personalization capabilities in its operating system. Here you will learn about how to change the theme, lock screen and wallpaper in Windows 10. To begin customizing Windows 10, follow the following steps. So, if we want to change the desktop color, the lock screen or the wallpaper, we have to follow these steps. Step 1. Right click on desktop. A pop-up menu appears on the screen. Click on personalize. Then we can easily change the wallpaper, the lock screen image or the desktop color. So now specifically we'll learn how to change the wallpaper. Follow the given steps to change the wallpaper of your window. Step 1. In the personalization settings, click on background. Step 2. Select your favorite picture from the gallery. Step 3. You can also choose a fit for the picture. Okay, so this is the way the desktop will look when you are doing this. Next is changing lock screen image. Follow the given steps to change the lock screen image of your window. Step 1. In the personalization settings, click on lock screen tab. See the personalization settings you can see here, and here is the lock screen option on which you have to click. Step 2. Select your desired picture. You can select any picture you want from here. You can browse and select your own image as lock screen. Okay. Then some lab activities are there. You can do this activity if you have a computer at home. Okay. So we studied and we completed lesson number 3, which is understanding Windows. Okay. First we learned about William Henry Bill Gates, who is the co-founder of Microsoft. Then we did the introduction part of Microsoft Windows and the various versions of it, which is Windows 8, Windows 10. We learned about operating system. We learned various features of a desktop, what all we can see on a desktop, icons, files, folders. Then how to open the folder, how to delete the folder, how to rename the folder, how to move the folder. All the topics we completed. Along with this video, I'm also providing you the notes of this lesson. Okay, and the oral question answers are given here. The questions are given here. You have to write the answers and send me the work. Okay children.